Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Diamond World. As a Women's Day special, I'll be teaching you guys how to make Vattalappam. It's a very delicious and yummy sweet that you can do it under 15 minutes. So simple, right? Now let's take a look at the simple ingredients needed for the sweet. We'll be needing 6 eggs, 200 grams of sugar, half cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now you can whisk together 6 eggs, 200 grams of sugar, half cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Whisk together till it comes to this texture and color. I'm going to be transferring to another bowl so I can steam it. But before I use the bowl, I'm going to be buttering it all over so my batter doesn't stick to the side. Now let it steam for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, you can check if it's well steamed. You can use a fork or a knife to poke it, and if it doesn't stick, that means it's well steamed. Now you can take your ready Vattalappam and serve it. Ta-da! And your Vattalappam is ready! Please remember to subscribe, like, share and turn on notification, and maybe leave us a feedback in the comment section below. Bye and thank you for watching my video.